Oh my god.
You have a really, really chunky ass.
She got a black girl's booty.
Oh my god! I've been laughing.
Angie, fall backwards.
Oh shit! Ah! I felt that. Ah!
Angie, fall backwards. It'll look so
Wait,
funny.
my phone's.
And close up of Kaylin's ghetto booty. Turn around.
That phone.